Right, now you have installed the Power BI desktop, and let's launch it. This is the interface of Power BI desktop, and usually when you launch, you will have this small window appear for the first time. For first timer, you're advised to register so that you can use some additional features in the future. So to register, you can just sign in, use try free. And Microsoft will ask you to register using your work email address. Right now, as far as I know, you are only allowed to register using your email address of your office. If you are planning to use the typical or generic public email like Gmail, Yahoo, it doesn't accept. So in this case, you just have to register using your work email address. Once you're registered, and you can sign in using the email that you have used just now. But for this video purposes, we just simply escape and by pressing the cross button here, because our main interest right now is to understand about the user interface in general. So you will begin with this white canvas. It is an empty space for you to put all your visuals, which is your graphs and your text and designs. This is where you design your report. So they call it report view. And you can change your view to data view right here, where all your data details will be displayed over here. We will talk more about it in the next few videos. And the third view is the model. Model is a place where you can see how your data is connected between each other. And on top of here, there's a control panel. Begin with file. We have home, modeling, and also help. But in most of the cases, you'll be using the home and modeling control panel. So let's return or go back to report. Here in report, you have the visualizations pane, where all your graphs listed is here. So you can just drag or click to put these visuals on your canvas your report canvas. And this is the list of fields and the formatting pane. And the left on your rightmost is the fields. Here at the bottom, you can see page. Similar to PowerPoint, maybe you are quite familiar with the idea of having multiple slides in a file. So in Power BI, you have multiple pages. Alright, I think that's all for now. We will continue by building few simple reports to get a better understanding on the power of Power BI. See you.